Okay, so the probability, and we're assuming it says when the probability that a point chosen at random will be within the shaded area, is we're assuming that it's somewhere within the circle, okay? So if we find the area of the circle, that's going to be the entire amount, and that'll be the denominator. So the area of the circle is, well, and we could say, I could just write it down. Area of triangle is the favorable outcome out of the total outcome, the area of the circle, okay? And that's what we're going to get. So how do we find the area of the triangle? Well, the area of the triangle is 1/2 base times height. So we've got, if you turn it on its side, you've got a base of 18, a height of 9. I know that because this is in the circle, so this is the exact same length as this. It's a radii, and that makes a 45, 45, 90 triangle. So if this is 9, this is 9 as well. Okay, so we've got a 1/2 base of 18, height of 9, so I can write that for the top, 1/2 times 18 times 9. Over area of the circle. Area of the circle is pi times the radius squared. The radius is, well, the diameter is 18, so the radius is 9, 9 squared. Okay? And what we get then is 1/2 of 18 is 9 times 9 is 81, so you get 81 over, and 9 squared is 81 times pi, 81 pi. Well, and in fact, that simplifies down to just 1 over pi. So what you're then looking for is what is 1 divided by pi. And if you type that into your calculator, 1 divided by pi, you get 0.318, or roughly 0.32. Okay? So what we said, again, just to reiterate, is you're talking about the area of this over the area of the entire circle, so area of the triangle over the area of the circle. Area of the triangle is 1/2 base times height, which gives us 81. Area of the circle is pi times the radius squared, or 81 pi, and you can see how those cancel. Even if you just did 81 divided by 81 pi, you'd get the same thing as 1 divided by pi, and that works out to be this.